Okay. So, good afternoon, students. Already we have finished the chapter. Now today I'll start the new chapter, that is the logarithm. So before start the logarithm, we have to learn something from there. Then we can start the discussion about this chapter. So logarithm is what? From your previous chapter, if I say that is a to the power n is equal to, if I say b, I am using the your indices chapter. That indices chapter, if you can use the a to the power n is equal to b, then you can say that if you can use the log, then you are able to say that log b. This is base a. In this value is a. That is the power value will become this. B will go there. This will come as it is. Okay. So this is called what? This is called the log. Okay. This is called the log. Okay. So this log have some basic criteria for them. What are the basic criteria for them? Suppose log 1, that value is 0. You should keep in mind log 1 with base is a, that is value is 0, and another be log a base a, that value is 1. Or else you can get this. Suppose if I say log 2 base 2 1, log 24 base 24, that is also 1. Okay. So in this way you can do that work from here. Okay, so these two we can already we keep in mind. Another say that the log he base this, another log which is base also a, and this, then if the you can say both be the equal, then you can say both base be equal, so you can say x is equal to y, x is equal to y, and x is equal to y. Okay, why? Because if I write both in cases, if I write the a and b there, here also a and b there, so whatever you can get it from here, you can get it a to the power n is equal to x. Here also you can get it what? A to the power n is equal to y. So let's see, the left side both are equal, so right side also be equal for there. That's why you can get it x is equal to y. Clear? Okay. So another part, logarithm is called the, suppose log, if I say log 5, then you ask me, sir, what is the base value over there? If the base value be nothing for there, if the base value be nothing, nothing means this base value is k. That is called the common logarithm. Okay. That is called the common logarithm. Okay. Now, if no base is given, then brothers take. If there is no base is given, you can take. That is the common logarithm. Always 10 is can say that. Okay. So this way you can keep prepared for that. Now we have made it ready. Suppose first question. What it say that convert the following to the logarithm form. This is what form will it there? This is called the indices form. 5 square is equal to 20, we already know. This is the indices form. So you can write logarithm form will be what? Log this 25, whose base is this 5, is equal to 2. Log 25 base 5, that is power is 2 here. That's the logarithm form. And suppose question number 4, 9 to the power 0, that is 1. That means you are able to say that log 1, which base is 9, that is C. Log 1 base is 9, that is C. Another one left, suppose question number 6, 3 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 9. We are able to say that log 1 by 9 whose base is 3, that value is minus 2. Clear? Question number 7. 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to 0.01. 0.0. So write that. So log 0.01 base is 10, that value is minus 2. So these are the common form of the logarithm. So this you can say this is the logarithm form be there. And next part is that exponential form. So exponential form means is what? So exponential form, suppose 2 and 1. This. So how can I say the exponential form? So you usually say that this to the power this is equal to 32. So this is a reciprocal reverse form for there for the question number 2. And suppose question number 3. This, that means clear? Okay. Another math. That is, you are able to write that 8 to the power 5 by 3, that value is 32. Yes. So, in this way, try to solve all of the problems from here. Huh? Okay. Goodbye to all.